friends, welcome to our channel Science and Innovation. Myself Satya Prakash Kar from Saraswati Sishu Vidya Mandir Unit 8 Bhubaneswar. Today's topic: proving Newton's second law of motion by experimental observation. So, let's start. First step: apparatus. Cricket ball, eraser, bottle, water. Procedure: fill the bottle fully with water. Throw the cricket ball with a greater speed and observe. Throw the eraser with same speed and observe. So let's see. Striking of the cricket ball with the bottle. Striking of the eraser with the bottle. Observation. We will observe that the cricket ball can drop the bottle down whereas the eraser cannot. Conclusion. The cricket ball is heavier than the eraser, hence the force exerted by the cricket ball is more than that of the eraser. Hence, force is proportional to the mass of the body. F is directly proportional to m. Second step: apparatus. Cricket ball, bottle, water. Procedure: fill the bottle fully with water. Throw the ball slowly to the bottle and observe. Then throw the ball with a greater speed and observe. Striking a fast moving ball with the bottle. Striking of slow moving ball with the bottle. Observation. We will observe that the ball thrown with greater speed can drop the ball down, whereas the ball thrown with lower speed can't. Conclusion. In the first case, the ball has greater speed than that of the second case, hence the force exerted by the first case is greater than that of the second case. Hence, force is proportional to the speed in uniform direction or velocity. F is directly proportional to V. From the first and second step. From the first and second case, we conclude that F is directly proportional to M. Statement 1. F is directly proportional to V. Statement 2. From statement 1 and 2, we get F is directly proportional to mv. Force is directly proportional to linear momentum or momentum simply. Force is proportional to linear momentum of the body. Newton's second law of motion. Newton's second law of motion states that the rate of change of momentum of an object is proportional to the applied unbalanced force in the direction of force. And obviously, a force can show its effect only when it is unbalanced, and thus we can prove the Newton's second law of motion by the process of experimentation. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.